The question is, where did the Quality Council of India, QCI, organize World Accreditation Day 2025? Answer: India Habitat Center, New Delhi. The question is, which book did cricketer Shikhar Dhawan release? Answer: the one, Cricket, My Life and More. The question is, which Indian institute has been ranked at the top in the World University Rankings 2026? Answer: IIT Delhi, 123rd rank. The question is, on which death anniversary did Prime Minister Narendra Modi pay tribute to Lord Birsa Munda? Answer: 125th. The question is, where was the National Turmeric Board headquarters inaugurated? Answer: Nizamabad, Telangana. The question is, where did the International Potato Center, CIP, announce the establishment of its South Asia Regional Center? Answer: Singna, Agra, Uttar Pradesh. The question is, where has Google established its first Google Security Engineering Center, GSEC, in the Asia Pacific region? Answer: Hyderabad, Telangana. The question is, which states have been declared first, second and third fully functional literate states under the Ullas Nav Bharat Literacy Program? Answer: Mizoram, Goa, and Tripura. The question is, where did PM Modi launch the centenary celebrations of the historic dialogue between Sri Narayana Guru and Mahatma Gandhi? Answer: Sivgiri Math, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. The question is, where was the world's highest railway arch bridge, Chenab Bridge, unveiled by PM Modi? Answer: Jammu and Kashmir. The question is, which first cable-stayed rail bridge of India was inaugurated by PM Narendra Modi? Answer: Anji Bridge. The question is, where is the first regional campus of IIC established? Answer: Rahanyu Shalang Township, Meghalaya. The question is, India has introduced which new type of passport for its citizens? Answer: Chip-enabled biometric e-passport. The question is, which operation of the Indian Coast Guard saved 6.98 lakh olive ridley turtles in Odisha? Answer: Operation Olivia. The question is, for whom has the Supreme Court ordered equal pension? Answer: all retired High Court judges. The question is, which three digital platforms were launched by Union Food and Consumer Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi? Answer: Depot Darpan Portal, Anna Mitra, and Food Assistance. The question is, who is the first e-voter in the country to cast a vote through mobile-based e-voting in Bihar? Answer: Bibha Kumari. The question is, the central government has launched a portal to promote which ecosystem? Answer: non-ferrous metal recycling ecosystem. The question is, the Commission for Air Quality Management, CAQM, has issued 19-point guidelines to which states to eliminate stubble burning? Answer: Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh. The question is, which center was inaugurated by Union Minister Manohar Lal to celebrate the cultural heritage of India? Answer: Bharat Bodh Kendra. The question is, who headed the high-level committee constituted to look into the scenarios related to the Disaster Management Act, 2005? Answer: Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The question is, which train has been started by Indian Railways for Kar Dham Yatra? Answer: Bharat Gaurav Deluxe Train. The question is, where did the Prime Minister address the Devi Ahilyabai Mahila Sashaktikran Mahasammelan? Answer: Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. The question is, PM Narendra Modi dedicated the first unit, 660 megawatts, of the Ghatampur Thermal Power Project. Where is this unit located? Answer: Kanpur Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. The question is, where did PM Narendra Modi inaugurate the Rising Northeast Investors Summit 2025? Answer: Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. The question is, who chaired the 10th meeting of the Governing Council of Niti Aayog with the theme, Viksit Rajya for Viksit Bharat at 2047? Answer: PM Narendra Modi. The question is, Munitions India Limited, MIL, Armored Vehicles Nigam Limited, AVNL, and India Optel Limited, IOL, have been classified as which category? Answer: Mini Ratna, Category 1. The question is, which district became the first in India to meet its entire daytime electricity demand through solar energy? Answer: DU. The question is, where has the hydrogen fuel cell truck been launched by Adani Enterprises for mining operations? Answer: Raipur, Chhattisgarh. The question is, on which date did the Government of India officially decide to celebrate Ayurveda Day every year? Answer: 23rd September. The question is, where did Union Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal inaugurate the second edition of Startup Mahakumbh 2025? Answer: Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. The question is, PM Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of which eye care center in Nagpur, Maharashtra? Answer: Madhav Netrilya Premium Center. The question is, which relief operation did India launch for earthquake-hit Myanmar? Answer: Operation Brahma. The question is, who has joined the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, AIIB, as Vice President for Investment Solutions? Answer: Ajay Bhushan Pandey. The question is, where did the International Buddhist Confederation and the Ministry of Culture organize a closing program on Buddhism and the culture of Northeast India? Answer: Namsai, Arunachal Pradesh. The question is, which state announced to set up India's first transmedia entertainment city, Creator Land? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. The question is, what is the name of the waste treatment plant inaugurated at AIIMS New Delhi? Answer: Srijnam. The question is, what has the name of Fort William, HQ of Eastern Command in Kolkata, been changed to? Answer: Vijay Durg. The question is, who was confirmed by President Donald Trump as the 9th director of the FBI? Answer: Kash Patel. The question is, to which country did APEDA send the first commercial sea shipment of Indian pomegranates? Answer: Australia. The question is, which organization became a full-fledged treaty-based intergovernmental organization in January 2025? Answer: International Big Cat Alliance. The question is, which of India's largest plants was inaugurated by Tamil Nadu CM M.K. Stalin? Answer: Solar manufacturing plant. The question is, what was the theme of the 14th Asian Fisheries and Aquaculture Forum held in New Delhi in February 2025? Answer: Greening Blue Growth in Asia Pacific. The question is, which campaign was launched by Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan under the Ministry of Rural Development? Answer: Watershed Tour. The question is, which super app was launched by the Railway Ministry? Answer: Swarail. The question is, where was India's first vertical bifacial solar plant inaugurated? Answer: Okhla Vihar Metro Station. The question is, what is the objective of the Swavlambini program launched by the Ministry of Skill Development? Answer: Promoting women entrepreneurship in India. The question is, which new railway zone received retrospective approval from the Union Cabinet? Answer: South Coast Railway. The question is, who was honored for an anti-piracy mission in the Arabian Sea? Answer: Akshay Saxena. The question is, what new visa category was launched by the Indian government for foreign nationals? Answer: Ayush Visa. The question is, where was India Energy Week 2025 organized? Answer: New Delhi. The question is, who was appointed as the next Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer: Gyanesh Kumar. The question is, who was chosen as Time Magazine's Human of the Year 2025? Answer: Purnima Devi Varman. The question is, who was honored with the CEO of the Year 2025 award? Answer: Samir Kanodia. The question is, from whom did ISRO scientist V. Narayanan take over as chairman? Answer: S. Somnath. The question is, who was appointed as the Director General of CRPF in January 2025? Answer: Gyanendra Pratap Singh. The question is, who was sworn in as the 33rd Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court on 21st January 2025? Answer: Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay. The question is, who was elected unopposed as President of the Athletics Federation of India? Answer: Bahadur Singh Sagoo. The question is, where did India and France hold the 7th Maritime Cooperation Dialogue? Answer: New Delhi. The question is, which year was declared by AICTE as the Year of Artificial Intelligence? Answer: 2025. The question is, which strategic tunnel was inaugurated by PM Modi in Jammu and Kashmir? Answer: Zeton Tunnel. The question is, which two initiatives were launched by the Rubber Board on its Platinum Jubilee? Answer: ISNR and INR Connect. The question is, where was the second Inland Waterways Development Council meeting held? Answer: Kaziranga, Assam. The question is, which book written by Amitabh Kant was released in January 2025? Answer: How India Scaled Mount G20. The question is, on what topic is the book Parliament, Powers, Functions and Privileges unveiled by VP Jagdeep Dhankar based? Answer: Comparative Constitutional Perspective. The question is, which new book of Amitav Ghosh was published by Fourth Estate India? Answer: Wild Fiction. The question is, what will be the main theme of the 28th Commonwealth Parliament Conference in 2026? Answer: Use of AI and social media in parliamentary work. The question is, where is the world's first Mahamrityunjay Yantra installed? Answer: Tapovan Ashram, Prayagraj. The question is, on which date will Lokpal Day be celebrated every year? Answer: 16th January. The question is, where was the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention held in 2025? Answer: Bhubaneswar. The question is, who attended the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention as chief guest? Answer: Christine Kala Kangalu. The question is, who was the chief guest of the 76th Republic Day celebrations? Answer: Prabhavo Subianto. The question is, which chatbot was launched by PM during Mahakumbh Mela 2025? Answer: Kumbh Sahayak. The question is, what does the new multicolor logo for Mahakumbh 2025 depict? Answer: Pot of nectar from ocean churning. The question is, what was the percentage growth in India's coffee exports in FY 2024? Answer: 29%. The question is, what elements were included in the design of the logo of Mahakumbh 2025? Answer: Akshayavat tree, temple, seer, Kalash, Lord Hanuman. The question is, which airline became the first in India to launch in-flight Wi-Fi on domestic flights? Answer: Air India. The question is, which country has become the third largest metro rail network in the world? Answer: India. The question is, where was India's first organic fisheries cluster started? Answer: Sikkim. The question is, where was the foundation stone of India's first green hydrogen hub laid? Answer: Vishakhapatnam. The question is, where was the first astronomical observatory of eastern India inaugurated? Answer: West Bengal. The question is, what was the theme of the 76th Republic Day 2025? Answer: Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas. The question is, which state became the first in India to implement a uniform civil code? Answer: Uttarakhand. The question is, on which date was Ayush Medical Coding and Records Day declared? Answer: 10th January.